mommy's favorite color?
Red and blue and red tire.
Okay, what do you want to say to your mommy on Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Mommy, I have a surprise for you. Happy Mama's Day. Love you. My mommy is so beautiful.
What is the name of your mommy?
Mommy Janice. Hey, Mommy. And my mama. I love mommy. I love mommy. I love mommy. I love mommy. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy Mama's Day. Happy Mama's Day. Happy Mama's Day. Happy Yeah, Mommy, Papa, Mommy. Happy.
You gave me a drawer in your kitchen. You gave me the room with a view of the yard. Whatever the hurt, you knew right where to kiss it. You gave me the best of your heart. And you carried my rocks in your pocket.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Salamat
Flowers and feathers and butterfly
Happy
wings.
Mama's Day.
You had an answer for all of my questions. You showed me wonderful things. I know that it hasn't been easy. I hope that I love like you do, 'cause I know that this world would be better if everyone had a mother like you.
Hi, happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the world, especially to my wife, Jaja. Happy Mother's Day. My heartfelt gratitude ug pasalamat sa tanan nimong kahago ug kahayag na imong ginahatag sa atong pamilya. Sa matag higayon na imong ginapakita na kusog, walay puas sa atong pamilya. Ang imong guidance not only intellectually but also spiritually is such a blessing to us. Today, as you celebrate, I want to say thank you sa tanan nimong gibuhat, sacrifices, hard work, and support. You are the heart and soul of this family. And in this special day, I want you to know how much I love you. Happy Mother's Day. I pray that you will be filled with love, joy, and peace for being a mother. And also thank you to Teacher Claire for making this effort. Thank you kayo, Teacher Claire, and for your teaching kay Dylan. Grabe, dagan kayo siyang kakatunan. Thank you.
Hi, Mi. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for patience with me and of course kang easy nga super kulit kaayo from day to night nga yung kakulit. I'm so grateful na naakaan choosing me as your partner na masking nagisuta. It reminded me of just how lucky I am to have you as my partner in this journey of parenthood. Thank you for being an amazing mom, Easy, and a wonderful wife. Again, happy Mother's Day and advance happy anniversary for this coming Saturday. Thank you and happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Mommy, happy Mother's Day. I love you so much. You're the best mommy in the whole wide world. Thank you for cuddles, kisses, yummy stocks. You make me smile every day. Today is your special day. Mommy, let's have lots of fun together. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. Cheerleader.